Hello friends, welcome back. So we're going to jump straight back into where we left off. We've just lifted the hood of Unreal as filmmakers and we're about to explore our first scene. You will have downloaded, let's jump straight back in. So you've downloaded and you've opened this project and here you are. Isn't that amazing? So this is how you get around the scene. It took me a while of faffing to work it out. And now it's obviously simple, like a lot of things. You're going to use your click and hold left and right mouse, and you're going to use your Q, W, E, R, and A, S, D, F buttons. So you can use these fingers, okay? So the first things first, you're looking at the screen, and you want to move forward through it. Just click on your left mouse and push, okay? And whilst you're pushing, here we are in a room. You can push. I'm now pulling backwards, and it's kind of crazy. I mean, look at that. You can see there's buildings out there that you're obviously in a location. We'll talk about that another time. Watch out for the plant. And all I'm doing is I'm pushing and I'm holding down my left mouse, and that's all I'm doing. What if you want to jib up? You're going to use your Q button and click on your E, and that just literally lifts your view up. Okay, and as you can see, we've now lifted up. If you want to, this is really useful. Here's your camera speed, and it's self-explanatory, and it makes a big difference. If you need to travel a long distance, you're going to ramp that up, but you don't need that inside. So we're here. We've jibbed up. What if we want to jib down? Q. And that's how you can, and now I'm just clicking left and I'm moving around, having a look around, jibbing back up. What if you want to look up? Then you hold down your right click and now you're just tilting the camera up and down. And so again, let's jib up and then have a look down from where we are. And that's kind of how you will move around your space. It's coming back down. It's the same with. Let's say you want to track right and left. That's your A and D key. So hold down A and click, and you just move left and right. S pulls you out. Now F is an interesting one. If you want to hone in on, let's say, that glass, hit F. And there you are, you're right bang in there on the glass. And then, so you pull out. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the folders because we're still in the basics mode. Of course, left and right, it's self-explanatory. So, like I said before, everything on here is an actor, whether it's a light or it's a layer or it's a wall. They're all actors on your set. And each actor has a load of information. It's got a load of settings. It's got a load of things that relate to it. So, for example, if you see me click on here and that plate there, each time that happens, it will show you what that particular instance is. It's an instance. And as I said before, there's an absolute ton of things that these things can do. You can have changed the values of all sorts of stuff. And the outline. Now, the other panel which you will need for our next section is what we're going to do now. Something going to start to get interesting. You're going to imagine that this is your set, and you want to block out some shots. You want to work it out. Somebody's going to come in. They're going to walk around. Where do you want to put the camera? What lens do you want to be in? We're going to create a camera, and we're going to put it on the timeline. So hopefully that's now got you confident in moving around a scene, and you can see the potential, obviously. And yes, great, we're doing it. We're on. Train's going. We're on it. My next lesson will be about basic camera and how you can start to block out shots. So thank you for tuning in. Click like and subscribe, and join me and stay with me, and we'll do this together. Thanks for watching.